Hi, my name is Yucheng, and I'm doing the video recording for Lab 1. Uh, Let me open my terminal here, and I'm going to use this command to upload my data set into Hadoop file system. Hadoop, this command is Hadoop file system hyphen put, which I think is the same as the professor has used in class, Hadoop file system copy. And let me open my Hive here. After I opened Hive, I need to create a Hive table. And my type table is called data underscore science underscore salaries. And it has the exactly same structure as my data frame, as you can see here. And I use the fields terminated by comma to specify that the fields in my data set are separated by commas. And then I stored my data as as a text file, which is the plain text here. And then I use the table properties to set the properties for my Hive table. I tell Hive to skip the header line when loading the data, because my data set has a header row, as you can see here. So let me copy command here and then go to bin. I think it's probably already there because it's not my first time to, yeah, I have already, that's just my live demo. So I have already created a Hive table. It says it exists here. Don't worry. Let's move on to the next step. So for next step, I'm going to load data from HDFS into my Hive table. And the impact here is to specify the data is being loaded from a path in HDFS. And now I think I'm good to go to analyze my data set. So for my first hiveQuery, I want to know the top 3 countries with the highest salaries, which is related to data science related jobs. And that's my statement here. So I'm going to select the company location first, and then the average salary to, I will calculate the average salary to see what's the highest salaries. Um, and this is a function in hiveql to calculate the average salary. So this is I select the company location and then the salary in US dollars from my table. And I put the where statement is because I want to filter the null value in salary in US dollar column. And then I group them by company location. Uh, and finally, I order the results by average salary in descending order. DSC here is descending, and I want to limit the output to 3 countries because I only want the top 3 countries with the higher salaries. And it's running here. My data set is really big. I think I have, yeah, I have 3,300 rows there. That's why it's so slow. And the reason why it is so slow is also because it's a hiveQuery instead of the map reduce job. It's gonna be the map reduce job is gonna be much faster. Now we get our output here. So that's the top 3 countries with the higher salaries in data science related jobs. And the top 3 countries are Israel, Puerto Rico, and then United States with the average salaries after them. Now I'm going to do my second hiveQuery. And for my second hiveQuery, I want to analyze like the distribution of job opportunities among different experience levels in the data set. So here is my statement. First, I select the experience level to display the experience level of the jobs. And then I use the count function here to count the number of job postings. Afterwards, I use the average AVG to calculate the average salary in US dollars. And then I need to find the minimal salary, and then I need to find the maximal salary. And this is all like functions in hiveQuery. From my table, also put the where statement to filter out the null values in my column. And then I want to group them by experience level because I want to see for different experience levels what's the salary distribution. And I order all my result by the number of jobs in a descending order here. Let me copy and paste it here. Let's see. Oh, I should I should have explained the statement before I sorry. Yes, after I put the statement into the terminal because it's gonna take a lot of time. And for the RDD programming, I think I will start another video because I want to open Spark Shell first before I want to open the Spark Shell first before I record my video, my live video, because as we all know, launching Spark Shell is gonna take a lot of time, and I want to do it. I don't want to like make the video really long. So I will open my Spark Shell first, and then I will run the my RDD MapReduce job. Oh, and we got our results here. As you can see, it is grouped by experience levels. And then that's the count of the jobs. And then I think that's the average. Yeah, that's the average salary for different experience levels. And then that's the minimum wage, and that's the maximum wage. So the output is here, and it takes almost 1 minute. And that's my first video for the hiveQueries. Thank you for reviewing my video. I'm gonna stop now.